Shanti, Essence of Murli, 24th September 2020. Sweet children, in order to become charitable souls, perform as many good acts as possible, become all-rounders and imbibe divine virtues. Question: by making which effort do your children become multimillionaires? Answer: the greatest effort is to make your criminal eyes civil. Your eyes deceive you a great deal. The Father has shown you the way to make your eyes civil. Children, make your vision soul conscious. Do not see bodies. Make this practice firm. I am a soul. By making this effort, you will become multimillionaires for birth after birth. Song: have a patience, O mind, your days of happiness are about to come. Essence for Dharana. First point: in order to become a charitable soul, let go of all desires and make it firm for yourself. Baba, whatever you feed us, wherever you make us sit, don't perform any sinful acts. Second point: in order to win God's lottery, keep busy doing spiritual service, imbibe knowledge, and inspire others to do the same. In order to claim good marks, remain in remembrance while performing every act. Blessing: may you be a soul who is immersed in love and filled with love and attainment, and with arrows of love make others unconscious with love. Explanation: in a worldly way, when someone is absorbed in someone's love, you feel from his or her face, eyes and words that one is immersed in love, that one is in love. In the same way, when you go onto a stage, however much love for the Father is immersed in you, arrows of love will accordingly make others unconscious with love. Thinking of a link repeating points, let this not be your form. Instead, let there be the form of being immersed in love, being filled with love and attainment. When you speak as an authority, it has an impact. Slogan: by attaining completion and perfection, bring the time of completion close. Om Shanti.